siya din ha. Watch na ko
Mm.
na siya.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, I
Thank you,
will visit your
Danny.
house, Danny P.
And Danny, I give you +1. You have 189, so I give you +1. So
Ay,
190
gamay
per
pa yung
subscriber.
house, di ay, gamay pa.
Oo, kay wala man siya katong dati na siya video gipang delete man niya tanan
I
kay
gonna
kaayo na
make you. You
nagbabash.
have to make videos.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Karon
Danny P.
yan. Danny
Danny
P
P,
watching
Danny
here,
P.
Danny. Okay.
Okay, I'm watching your video, Danny P. I'm going to your channel, guys.
Tapos pwede ba siya mag-upload siya video nga nasa TV? Mga
No, don't
recording?
don't upload. You will be reuse content.
Oh, nag-ano siya yung mga
Mm.
ano.
You know, Danny P, you can please don't upload this kind of video, okay, from the television because this video it might be reused.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to create your original creation. Okay, I do subscribe to you, Danny P, already. And your comment section is disabled. Why? Because tune lyrics
Ikaw,
sleep timer. Sama ni siya.
listen on YouTube music.
Naka-disable.
Asa nga kuan ka?
Okay, I will drop my link, Danny P.
Nice, okay. Shit, nice, okay. I-ano
Oh,
siya,
nice, nice,
Gary,
nice.
i-ano siya, i-pahibalo sa iya nga, kuan,
Yeah.
kanang,
Danny
i-upload
P,
yung,
if you're listening, Danny P, if you're watching right now, don't upload television series, okay? You have to upload your authentic and original creation video.
oh, minute mo
Yeah,
gidelete
that's
that.
right. That's the right thing to do, a shopkeeper. Danny P. Do you understand, Danny P?
Yeah.
Did you? Did you get my point, Danny P?
Danig di comment.
Because if you're applying for monetization once you reach the 4,000 watch hours, Danny P, you will be rejected because your videos is not original. It's not authentic. So you have to upload your original creation, right? And from now on, you have to delete all these
Hi,
videos.
Ash. Hello, Ash. How are you,
Mm.
Ash?
Nakinig si Danny P?
I think he is listening.
Okay, thank you so much, Danny P. Yeah. Oh, I hope you understand. As what I said earlier. Explain mo nga, Marian.
Hagi ka mag-English. Kasagutan ko. Ako
Did you
magbuhat
get my
ni.
point, Danny P? I hope you understand, Danny P.
Shop. Yahoo! Ate Terry. Thank you, Ate Terry.
Yes, because this is a real truth. And this is a
Real
very
truth.
reminder.
Ash, Ash, mega love shout out. Ate Terry, thank you. Ate Terry, kamusta Ate Terry? Kamusta yung araw mo, Ate Terry? Hindi na tayo nagmaritisan, tiba?
Si Danny P, wala naman itubag. Naunsa ni.
Ba, sige nang gidelete.
Ha?
Ba, sige, delete niya. Ate Terry, kamusta ang araw mo ngayon, Ate Terry? Hindi na tayo nagmamaritisan?
Raju, thank you so much,
Raju,
Raju.
hello Raju, shout out.
Raju, Raju, how are you, Raju? You know, Raju in the Philippines is stereo, Raju.
It's a radio. It's a radio. It's a radio. Raju is a radio here in the
Raju.
Philippines.
See?
I think Raju
Natawa
is
si.
from Indian.
Yeah, India, I think.
Oh.
Namaste, Raju.
Namaste. Namaste. Ayan. Namaste.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Danny P. Are you still there, Danny P?
Untang na yung magpalupa. Dapat
$20.
yung mata. Dapat yung
No
mata.
voodoo in this channel. Ingon pati si
50.
Kwan. Sito ingon si Kwan, sa tingon?
Isa man si.
No voodoo.
No. Sakit, sakit to?
Umpag sa ingon.
Nakalimot na ko.
Ay, power, power.
Sakit. Bitaw to. Nakalimnom ko na. Bitaw to
Oo.
nag-ingon, no? Ay, si Kuan. Si Scalibar.